So today I want to make some kind of beautiful piano, a beat with beautiful piano with melodies, sad melodies. And when you want to make a beat with piano, the first thing that you need to do is the piano. So let's see. Yeah, so let's record it. The last note, I did it wrong. Yeah, but this is it. We can always change the keys if you want it. Let's skip it. This key right here that I played is C minor. Now let's put it right here, the piano, on the playlist. So, I want to add like a bass note using this. And I just copy those notes. So since will be just 3 chords, I would just pick those 3 notes right here. Now let's paste just right here. And those will be basically the bass notes. And when we are going to make the bass too, we will use the same notes. Let's do some stuff like this. Right here I'm just changing the octaves. So this right here, change the octaves right here, is the same notes right here too, just a change of the octaves to make a little bit more interesting. Yeah, this sounds nice. Now I want to make something using the chords. So I want to use this pad and we will use the chords. So as I said before, it was just 3 chords. I will just paste the same thing right here. The same first notes. Yeah. Here we have the notes that we use on the kind of bass that we did right here. We will build the chords over this. So the first chords will be a minor chords, they will be this right here. So you'll be basically this. Those are the 3 chords that I'm using, just make arpeggio on the piano. This long. Make a cut right here. Let's decrease the size of those notes. I will just pick those 2 notes, Ctrl and arrow down to make this octave lower. I actually want to do again with this. Yeah, I think this sounds better. Now let's add, I want to copy this, and I have other instruments like this, some kind of lead, and I want to do this lead. Let's drop here a lower octave. Let's hear it. And for real, right now we only need to make the drums and after the bass. Now the hi-hats. Let's open the hi-hats on the piano roll. Let's put right here something like 1/3 step. Let's pick this paint right here, this option of paint, this third option. No, not that much. Okay, that's the drums. Actually, I'm going to do this right here. You sound like a delay. The bass will be the same notes we already did before. You'll be basically the notes of the bass, the notes of the chords, will be this note, and this note. Will be the notes of the bass. Will be those exactly same notes right here that we're using right here. And then. So will be those same notes. We can copy and paste, but I already know what notes they are. Okay. The notes will be, yeah, this is the right note. Then it repeats again. Then we will change for, I think, this one. The voice, this one. Yeah, this is it. This is the bass. Now, to build this beat, this is the chorus with everything on. But we are going to start slowly, right? So we are not starting with everything. So remove those stuff. Let's remove this too. Now let's make something like this. Alright, now I have to add a crash. The crash will enter right here. We make a different drums right here. I just copy this drum, new pattern. Now this drum I will just remove the kicks. So we're going to put this for the second drum right here without the kicks. So right here the artist can already sing. Right? And this is like a pre-chorus, and then the chorus enters with everything. And then on the verse we have to keep it clean, so the verse will be with less instruments. Actually, let's do. Going to add this pre-chorus every time the chorus will start. So let's put the pre-chorus here again. Right here. And then it will repeat again. There you have it. So that will be basically the whole beat. Now this is just the end, the outro. We can leave everything on, but without the drums. So that will be it. The beat is ready, the beat is done. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Now I'm going to play the whole beat.